All right, hello everyone. It is Yellowfin and we are trying out another Cars and Coffee now. Some of y'all might recognize this place. We're at Cletus McFarland's Freedom Factory right now for the Freedom Factory Cars and Coffee. And there's actually quite a decent selection of cars. A lot of very fun cars too. Big variety, that is for sure. So we got BMW AMG GT with a very bold wrap on it. Mazda Miata. Got two Vipers right there. My first time seeing this, a Huracan Storado. That's a very cool one. Actually pretty sweet to see one in person. I've been looking for one before. Missed the one that was at the Lambo dealership on Clark, but got to see one now. And also Porsche 911 next to it. Shelby Cobra. Nice Alfa Romeo. And a Porsche 911 next to a white Huracan. Non-Storado version, but still pretty sweet. See one of those. Mazda Miata NA and a Hot Wheels Porsche 911. Then we'll work our way over to this sort of clump right here. We got a lot of stuff inside of this clump, that's for sure. Mercedes, Cadillac, that's a CT5V, right? That's got the V on it. Yeah, that does have the V on it. Nice. So that thing's pretty fast then. Also over here, BMW M550i and Lexus LC500. This one, what color is it? Got the shades on, black. There we go. Couldn't really tell if it was black or brown. This Chevy Caprice was in front of us last time. I guess we can go down this row first. This Chevy Caprice was in front of us when we were pulling in, chopping away. That was for sure, but sounded pretty nice. Haven't seen a Caprice either, honestly, at a meet. Probably seen one on the road and just didn't notice, but at a meet, haven't seen one before. Shelby Cobra. It's pretty sweet right there. And then the Volvo brick right in front of it, the V70. And BMW 328i, Audi RS5. Then over here we got a slammed Infiniti next to a slammed 180SX. I'm pretty sure. Yeah, he's got a bit of camber on it too, but pretty decent camber. Nothing too crazy, I like it. Then we've seen this one as well at the Cars and Coffee in Sarasota. It's pretty fun. All the way down on the floor, of course, right? Let's see right at the front. Yep, you can see static as well. He's lost a little bit of bumper. Now we got this carbon fiber covered Shelby GT500 Mustang, carbon all around. Dodge Charger Hellcat. Got a Honda Civic right there. Shelby, a big old carbon wing on the back. Skyline GTR R32. What else we got? Toyota 86, one of the newer ones. It's pretty cool right there. ZL1 convertible Camaro. Golf GTI 370Z. Then right here, nice little Mustang 5.0. Then this one we've actually seen before in a car spotting video, the Porsche with the Martini livery, Porsche SUV. Seen that one actually downtown. There's the Z. We also rolled in behind this guy. We were right behind the highway, right behind him. The little key truck. And we got three more Challengers actually. Another Mustang, Charger Scat Pack. Another Mustang over there as well, looking a neon green highlighter sort of color, and a C4 Corvette right there. Not too bad for this little area. Then we gotta rotate back over to the clump now. And then over here, a very bold spec'd McLaren GT, white rims, crazy graffiti wrap. Definitely stands out, that is for sure. Pretty sweet though, I do like the white rims on it. Combo, works pretty well. Nice Mercedes saloon with the carbon fiber hood and C8 Corvette next to it. Then time to work our way through the clump again. Let's try our best to record this because I'm not used to recording just a big old pile of cars. Got Porsche 911, nice 8.6 with a body kit on it. Actually, this one's the FRS, I believe. Yeah, Scion. C7 Corvette with the Lambo doors. What do we got next to us? A Porsche 911, but yeah, did I say C6? I meant C7 if I said C6, but he's got the Lambo doors on it. Also got the Lexus with the camera setup on the back. Hardcore setup right there. What else we got? Oh, here we go. Next to the two Mustang 5.0s. Lamborghini Aventador. That's pretty sweet. LP 700. Dang, no top on it either. M3 GTI. This one's a Cadillac, I think. Yeah, that's Cadillac. GTR in white. Shelby right there. Also, I think we missed the Challenger, but truck. Big old slicks on this Ford F-150. Sweet. That thing's probably very fast, especially if you got slicks on a truck, then you know that thing's definitely fast. This one's the Holden, right? Yeah, it is the Holden. More Mustangs, Durango. Oh, there was an Audi SUV over there. He's been moving around a bunch. I don't really know what that guy's been doing, but he's been traversing, that's for sure. He is no longer there anymore at the top. Nice Porsche as well. Here's the S2K. This is the thing in the beginning that I thought, I wonder what these guys are gonna do when it's time, like they wanna leave. Like this S2K is trapped right there in the middle. He is not going anywhere for a long while. Got some Supras, Bimmers, more American muscle cars, Challengers and stuff. Supra, here we go, pink Supra. This one definitely noticed it when it was rolling in. Sort of sparkly pink wrap on it as well. That's fun. Mustang Mach 1, Porsche 911 and another 911 right there. Orange and blue, both very nice. That one's the GT3 and then this one's the 911 Turbo S M3 Comp. Sweet, another Supra. There's the camera setup, and then also next to it is a McLaren 600 LT. Oh, way too zoomed in on the McLaren, but there's a 600 LT. It's pretty sweet. I do like those. Audi S3. There's another Porsche SUV. And oh, more cars are actually rolling in. We got Mercedes and Mustang right there. We got more over there. Oh, there's the Audi. He's up there. And also C8 Corvette rolling in as well. Oh, that thing's lowered too. He had to take that at an angle. It's got a nice little looking body kit on it. Sweet. Big old Chevy too. That's a jacked up Tahoe. Fatter tires on it as well. But dang. That Corvette C8 actually looks really good. It's got like a sort of McLaren wing on the back of it, a little spoiler. Exhaust as well. Oh, way too zoomed in again, but damn. Sounds good too. Like you don't see too many of the C8s actually here in Sarasota. There's a lot of C8s, but one's the actual modifications on it. That was probably my favorite C8 I've actually seen. That one's real nice. Got another Holden right here, Pontiac next to it. He's got the little cam on the back. Kia Stinger. Got, oh, Tesla with the chrome sort of wrap. I forgot what these are called. But that's cool. C8 Vet again. Another Charger. Oh, old Charger RT. That's nice. Genesis, right? Yeah, Hyundai Genesis Coupe. Mazda Miata, another one. BMW. Another Camaro. Got two bikes right there. Mini Cooper. Oh, Plymouth Cuda 440. That's sweet. That was not here in the beginning when I was walking around before, but they've arrived. Dodge Charger, Dodge Stealth RT twin turbo. Actually, another car I haven't seen before is a Dodge Stealth. This one's one of the best ones with the twin turbo. So that's pretty sweet. Another Viper 240 SX. Nissan Z. There's a good look at that Viper's engine. Big ol' V10 in it. Sweet. Bimmer STI Subaru. Green Mustang. Oh, see that? Mark IV Supra. Civic Si. Oh, that's cool actually. I didn't realize before when I was walking by that was a Mustang. Dang, that's actually real nice. Huh, cool. Also M4 Comp right there, Honda Civic Type R. Oh, and a few more things have rolled in as well. Yeah, this is Audi, right? Yeah, that's an Audi. What one is it actually? I don't think I've seen this car before either. Oh, no, debadged. All right, comments if you're watching it this far into the video and you happen to know, I'd actually like to know. There's the Super Mark IV right there. There's a C63 AMG. Nice GTR, two GTRs actually. They both got the camera setups on the back as well. Probably gonna gap a few people after this would be my guess. So they both are pretty nice. Something's rolling in. Oh, actually out. It might be the Plymouth Cuda right now. There it goes. I'll stop talking and let you listen. Sweet. There's another Nissan Z next to it with the mismatched rim setup. Got the 5 spokes and then the, I don't even know how many spokes, and I do not really feel like counting, but he's got a lot of spokes on that part. All right, then we got this section right over here. And then I think that'll be closing off unless, oh, nope, we got more things rolling in too, so try and include those if they keep on popping up. But here we go, another C4 Corvette, BMW and another BMW. This one's an M2 Comp. pretty cool. Get a good look at the front. Nice. Two-door M2s. Definitely see the M4s and the M3s a lot more, but M2 is pretty cool to see sometimes as well. Then 765 LT next to the C8 Corvette. Altezza. See quite a few of those sometimes. I don't think I've seen this build before though. Oh yeah, because this one's a wagon. So I don't think I have seen that one before. Audi S8, 911 Carrera, GTR in red. Has there been another red GTR? Maybe not. I think there's the orange and the white one. But I really like the red color on it though. The red color on the R35 GTR looks real good. Mustang, Nissan, another 350Z, Hyundai Elantra N. What's that, Maserati? Quattro Porte? Or is it a Ghibli? Honestly, I realized the Ghiblis were 4 doors too. Yeah, and then it kind of threw me off. So yeah, that's a Ghibli SQ4. Still, pretty sweet though. I like a good Maserati, especially because they depreciate. So maybe I'll be able to buy one then, because that would be kind of fun. They got a bit of power behind them as well, so that'd actually be a pretty fun little sleeper car. Throw a few mods on it. CTS-V as well, that's the clean one. I think we saw that one at the Cars and Coffee before. Got a little Miata parked up way over there. And what was next to it? It was one of the new, it was one of the new Civic Type R's in white next to it. That's pretty nice. Also, we got this Audi right here. He's got pretty decent sized tires on it, and of course, got a camera on the back as well. Oh, there we go. These were the other things that rolled in, parked up next to it. Like in the beginning, we just had that C8 Vet. Then there's now the Merc, the Mustang, the Porsche SUV, C8 Vet, another Mustang GT350 Shelby, and another Holden, actually, third one of the meet. Now, I don't know if these are actual Holdens, like from Australia, or if they're just the Chevy SS's, but there's the one over there that wasn't a Chevy SS. So, I don't know. But still, it's just kind of fun too to see, even if it is just a Chevy SS with a Holden badge on it. It's definitely more unique to have it with the Holden badge than just the Chevy badge. And then what do we got over there? Mustang. Rolling on in. Taking that angle as well. Going around the track. And taking a little loop around the track. Going ahead to the video real quick as it's rolling in. Got another McLaren in yellow. Actually, don't think I've seen a McLaren with this color yellow on it. It's pretty cool. Something just started up right here. Oh, it's the Miata. Miata is heading out. Right-hand drive one as well. It's an imported Miata. That's pretty cool. I didn't notice that before when I was walking around. The MV Media C6 Corvettes also arrived. They've got the 360 cam up top. Rolling around the track right now. Getting the shot, and I'm getting the stationary shot of on foot. Them rolling around. There they go. Something else rolled in too over here. Oh, they're right over there talking with someone. Forgot what it was though. Looks like something American. The Cadillac would be my guess, unless it's a BMW. Could also be a BMW. Nope, it was a Cadillac. I did get it right. Kind of recognize it from the headlights, but yeah, orange Caddy right there. Oh, and there is the Corvette replacing the spot of the Miata. That's pretty sweet. Right next to the Viper as well. All right, and I believe that'll be it, unless I see anything else right now. And so yeah, I'm Elephant. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and goodbye.